In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add paywalls and freemium plans in Replit tutorial plus prompts. Before we jump in, here's the plan. We'll open your project in Replit, locate the exact place in your code where you want to gate premium features, add clear freemium and paywalled messaging, and then preview and publish your changes. The idea is to make it obvious what's free, what's premium, and how users can upgrade without overcomplicating your codebase. Start by going to Replit and opening your app. Make sure you're in the project that contains the feature you want to protect behind a paywall. It helps to have your file tree visible and your app environment ready to run so you can test quickly. Next, use the search or the highlighted input at the top to type in a keyword that will take you to the right place in your code. For example, search for the component, root, or function that renders the premium feature. Common terms might be pricing, subscribe, upgrade, dashboard, or the specific tool name you're gating. When you see the correct file or component appear, click the highlighted result to open it. You should now be looking at the part of your app that either shows premium content or decides who gets access. Keep your changes focused here so the rest of your app stays stable. Now, type your freemium copy and paywall messaging right where users will see it. Keep it straightforward. A short description of what's included on the free tier, a clear list of what's unlocked on the paid tier, and a friendly upgrade call to action. Use concise labels like free and pro, describe the benefit rather than the feature, and avoid clutter. If your code already checks a flag or role, you can update the text shown for each state so users always understand what's happening. Click the highlighted control to apply or confirm your changes. If your editor shows a save or confirm action, make sure it's completed. Consistency matters here. Align your plan names and pricing references across the app so nothing conflicts later. Click Preview to run your app in a safe environment. Test the free path first to confirm users can explore without friction. Then verify the gated areas display your premium messaging and upgrade prompt instead of revealing protected content. Check small details like button text, error states, and empty states so nothing looks broken. Finally, click Publish to push your changes live. Give your deployment a moment to complete, refresh the live site, and spot check the same flows you tested in preview. Keep iterating on the copy and layout if anything is unclear, and never expose secrets or keys in client